Hey guys, what's up? It's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you another song to play on the ukulele. But before we start the tutorial, let's have a quick shout out to these people. So shout out to Jericel Fernandez, Roxanne Gaming, Gwyneth Dalaman, Denise Ventura, Kim Ashley Barredo, Althea Baldihueza, Regen Ninieza, Jalan Russell Cardenas, FJ Deliverio, and lastly, shout out to Francesca Briones. And thank you so much guys. So for today's tutorial, I'll be using my Tom TUC230 ukulele. And if you're interested with this instrument, then I will leave the purchase link on the description box below. So without further ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play At My Worst by Pink Sweats. So for the intro tabs, the first thing you're gonna do is you need to put your middle finger here on the first string, 3rd fret. So that's a 3A. So 3rd fret, A string. Okay? So you need to pluck it just like this one. And then after that one, you need to slide from 3rd fret down to the 5th fret. So it should sound like this one. Okay, again. And then after that one, you need to strum the chord of C. So that's open, 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 and first string, 3rd fret. Okay? Then after that one, you need to pluck open G together with 3A. So after you strum the C, you need to do this. So you need to pull these 2 strings. Then after pulling these 2 strings, you need to drop or tap your hand. So that's the X symbol in there. Then after that one, you need to repeat it again. The open G and the 3A. So, and then after that one, 2, 3, 2, and open. Now from the top. Now for the next part, you need to put your index finger here on the 4th string 2nd fret or G2. And then after that one, you need to pluck 2, the same string together with open A. So 2 and open 2 and then tap and then open 2 again and then 2 slide to 3. So it should sound like this one. Now let's move on to the next part. So what you're going to do is you need to put your index finger here on the entire 5th fret. So you need to bar it just like this one. And then after that one, you need to pluck the G string and the A string. Now these 2 strings right here. So after strumming it, pluck G and A, and then tap, and then G and A again, and move on to 8, 7, 5, 2. Now again, again, 8, 7, 5, 2. And for the next part, you need to form a G chord. So 1, 2, and 3. And what you're gonna do is you need to pluck the G string, G open, and then strum G, and then tap, and then strum again. Now let's play it all together slowly. 1, 2, 3, go. So for the verse, post-chorus, and chorus, you need to do this blocking pattern, and you also need to do this in every chord. Now, it should sound like this one. Now, the plucking pattern for that is you need to pluck the G string, and then after that one, G and A, and then after that one, tap, or you need to drop your hands after pulling the strings, and then pull again, and then G, G and A, and G. So it should sound like this one. Now repeat after me. Again, you need to do this plucking pattern in each of the chord. Now, let's try to do this chord progression. C, A minor, D minor, and G. And you need to repeat that chord progression twice. Okay? With the same plucking pattern, it should look like this one. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, oh no pretend. Stick by my side even the world is caving in, yeah. Now for the next part of the song, which is the pre-chorus, you just need to strum once per chord. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. And then for the next part of the song, which is the chorus, you just need to do the plucking pattern. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. Post chorus the same. Ooh, ooh. Verse 2. If you stay forever, let me hold your hand. I can feel those places in your heart no one else can. Let me show you love, oh no pretend. I'll be right here, baby, you know I'll sink or swim. Don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody you, I'll put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. Ooh, ooh, And then for the last part, which is the outro, so you just need to strum once per chord. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. So that's it for our tutorial today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below the title of the songs that you want me to teach on this channel. And of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, and the notification bell beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog, cover, or tutorial. Bye!